So maybe some of you can relate to this. There's often times in life where it seems like it's hurry up and then wait. So we have all these plans to get the boat moving, to get the boat prepared, and then we have to wait for the weather, or wait that the weather and the weekend are at the same time so we can actually move. So come with us as we work hard and then wait. Hi everyone. I hope those of you who watched our previous episode about supernatural sounds enjoyed it. We actually haven't heard them for about a number of days now, but we've heard them twice with two seasons of hearing them, and it's definitely a different experience. I hope you're enjoying some of the new footage that we've been able to put up. Vinny got a drone for Christmas, and he's been taking shots of where we're located, and we are going to keep bringing some more that we think are interesting, and we're having fun with it. I hope you are enjoying it. The views are amazing, I think.
Hey, and what can I have for dinner? What's quinoa?
Quinoa.
Yeah, what is it? Sounds really bland. Oh. Okay, I guess I gotta add some hot sauce to it. So I guess this is what, like, boat people eat?
No, that's called yuppie instant food.
Yuppie instant food, okay. Well, this could be for good, like, backpackers and hikers. Not that I've done any hiking in the past several years. Well, let's see how you make it. You can microwave it. So this is the flavor packet. It means it's full of flavor. It's really hard to open. Let me get my knife. Strong. All right, here we go. Disgusting, so let's see. Alright, so it says you're gonna stir it, then it said put the cap on it. Ew, it kind of smells kind of weird. It kind of just smells like chicken noodle soup. It smells like dust, like stale, dusty. It smells like a combination of like stale chicken noodle soup. I wonder if it's going to be edible. Hey, I'm going to try some cheese in it. That's really good now. That's what I needed. The cheese makes it. It's really good now. Actually, really good.
We were going to go out today. It's really sunny. The sky is beautiful, but the gusts are pretty big. And if we want to have a good experience, we want to feel confident. And
what are the gusts? What's the wind speed for the gusts?
Up to 25 knots, so.
You don't like 25 knot gusts?
Not yet. Not yet. So guess what? If one of the chefs can always just order pizza when it's his night to be the chef, this chef decided, how about something different? How about pizza? Dinner is served.
Hey everybody, well it's late at night and we got to head out tomorrow morning. We have to actually drive to take care of some medical stuff, medical appointments. So we have to unfortunately leave the boat for about 10 days, 10 days too long as far as I'm concerned. Then we'll be back to get the boat cruising north so we can continue our journey and keep working on this refit so we can go to the places that we want to go to.